Does cooking vegetables reduce their nutrients? This is a question that often comes up for anyone who wants to eat healthily and get the most out of their food. Vegetables are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support our health in countless ways. But when you cook them, do they lose some of their valuable nutrients? And if so, which methods of cooking are best for preserving their goodness? Let's look at how cooking affects the nutrient levels in vegetables and what you can do to get the most nutrition out of your meals. How cooking affects nutrients. Cooking can indeed impact the nutrients in vegetables, but the effect varies depending on the nutrient and cooking method. Water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C and many B vitamins are the most sensitive to heat. They can break down and dissolve in cooking water, especially if the vegetables are boiled for a long time. This means that cooking methods like boiling may reduce the amount of these vitamins in your veggies. On the other hand, some nutrients in vegetables actually become more available after cooking. For instance, cooking tomatoes increases their levels of lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health and cancer prevention. Similarly, cooking carrots can increase the availability of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts to vitamin A. So while cooking might reduce some nutrients, it can make others easier for your body to absorb. Different cooking methods and their impact. Not all cooking methods are the same when it comes to preserving nutrients. Here's how some common methods affect vegetables. 1. Boiling. Boiling vegetables in water for too long can lead to nutrient loss, especially for water-soluble vitamins. However, if you use the leftover cooking water in soups or sauces, you can still capture some of the lost nutrients. 2. Steaming. Steaming is often one of the best ways to cook vegetables if you want to keep most of their nutrients. Since the vegetables don't sit in water, fewer vitamins are lost. Steaming for a short time also retains the vibrant color and crispness of veggies. 3. Sautéing and stir-frying. Cooking vegetables quickly with a small amount of oil, like in a stir-fry, can help retain nutrients while enhancing flavor. The oil also helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K. Just avoid high heat for too long, as it can break down delicate nutrients. 4. Roasting and baking. These methods involve dry heat, which is generally good for nutrient retention. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sugars, giving them a caramelized flavor. Some nutrients may be slightly reduced with high heat, but the method generally preserves most of the vitamins and minerals. 5. Microwaving. Surprisingly, microwaving vegetables can be one of the best ways to cook them while preserving nutrients. Because microwaves cook food quickly and with little water, they help keep more vitamins intact compared to longer cooking methods. The best approach: a balance of raw and cooked. Eating a mix of raw and cooked vegetables is often the best way to get a wide range of nutrients. Some vegetables, like bell peppers and spinach, offer more vitamin C when eaten raw, while others, like carrots and tomatoes, release more beneficial compounds when cooked. Balancing raw salads with lightly cooked vegetables in your meals can give you the best of both worlds. Quick tips for nutrient-rich cooking. If you want to maximize the nutrients in your cooked vegetables, keep these tips in mind. Don't overcook. The longer you cook vegetables, the more nutrients you may lose. Aim for tender crisp instead of very soft. Use minimal water. If boiling, use as little water as possible, and consider adding it to soups or sauces to capture lost nutrients. Cook with healthy fats. Adding a bit of olive oil or another healthy fat can help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. So, does cooking vegetables reduce their nutrients? The answer is yes and no. Cooking can lead to some nutrient loss, especially with water-soluble vitamins, but it can also make other nutrients more accessible. By choosing the right cooking methods and mixing raw and cooked vegetables in your diet, you can get a rich variety of nutrients to support your health. Embrace the benefits of both cooking and raw options to make the most of your veggies. Watch the next video about the best way to effectively remove pesticides from vegetables before cooking. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel.